Hello, and welcome to GeoTruth. Today we're going to look at the moon on September 30th, 2023. On September 30th, 2023, the moon is in its waning gibbous phase. On September 30th, 2023 at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, around time 2140, which is 9:40 p.m., pictures and videos of the moon were taken using a Nikon P1000 camera. We will observe the pictures taken with the Nikon P1000 camera and compare them with mainstream science's pictures and graphics of the moon. Using the astronomical data from the United States Naval Observatory altitude and azimuth of the sun or moon during one day, we will first locate the actual sun and moon's locations on the Earth when the Nikon camera pictures were taken. We will locate the moon's coordinates first. The first row in the table shows the moon's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at plus 5.19 latitude and minus 8.65 longitude. We will use these coordinates to locate the moon on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The first row in the table shows the sun's altitude is 90 degrees or directly above at minus 2.64 latitude and plus 152.55 longitude. We'll use these coordinates to locate the sun on the circular level plane Gleason's map. The moon is shown as a white circle and is located at plus 5.19 latitude and minus 8.65 longitude on the circular plane Gleason's map. The sun is shown as a white yellow circle and is located at minus 2.64 latitude and plus 152.55 longitude on the circular level plane Gleason's map. Now let's compare the locations of the sun and moon on September 29th and the 30th. We notice the sun and moon are closer together on September 30th than on September 29th. This is because the sun circles the Earth faster than the moon and therefore is getting closer to the moon. This is a picture or graphic of the moon according to mainstream science, which shows a slight loss of light or illumination along the left side of the moon. Next, we will take a look at the pictures and videos from the Nikon P1000 camera. You can see in these pictures the upper left side of the moon is losing some light at the very edge. In the video, the camera's maximum zoom capability is used to see as much detail as possible at the edges of the moon, especially where the moon is losing its light. When the camera is at its maximum zoom capability, the movement of the moon is very, very noticeable. At maximum zoom, we see the edges where the moon is losing its light are full of dark voids where there is no moon mass. We also see there are areas of light that look to be detached from the moon and seems to be floating by itself. Our observations are that on the September 30th, 2023 map, the sun is closer to the moon than on the September 29th, 2023 map. The mainstream science picture/graphic shows a slight loss of light or illumination along the left side of the moon. The Nikon P1000 camera pictures and video shows the left side of the moon losing light and illumination. Next time we will look at the moon's lunar cycle on October 1st, 2023. See you then.